pesos. Would it go up, down? Mamari. Betting time is now open. Good luck, guys. Choose your colors na tayo dyan. Yellow, white, pink, blue, red, at green. Confirm your bets. You only have 10 seconds. And she should know it. Yeah, she know it. Let's go, players. 5 seconds. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Let's roll it, guys. We have a blue, red, and pink. It's a blue, red, and pink. Congratulations. Blue, red, and yellow. Blue, red, at yellow. Congratulations. Nasaan si Pink? Hanapin. Nino. Munti ka na pong ano yan. Munti ka na pong magkamali. Sobrang munti ka na. Diba? Jolly Viens. RC, congratulations. Munti ka na ba, Mr. Everywhere? Uy, siguro nasa pink ka. Inulit ko pa talaga, diba? Kala ko colorblind na ako eh. Sabi ko na nasa pink ka eh. Kaya para medyo kinabahan ka. Okay, 20 seconds and good luck. Nakatingin pala ako sa gilid, yung pink. Sorry na, Mr. Everywhere. Kung napaasa kita ng konti lang, no? Last go tayo, 5 seconds. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, good luck. Let's roll the dice. Nindol. Okay, blue, white, and yellow. Blue, pwede tao ka lang ay, hindi rin naman ni Mr. Everywhere. Mr. Everywhere, everything nice? And good luck. Charot lang yun. Siyempre. Oh, diba? Double blue, single green. Nasa blue ka pa rin? Jolly Beans, not... Okay, number 10. Ano daw? Wait nga lang. Sorry na. Okay, we have pink, white, and yellow. Jolly Beans. Sorry na malabo kasi let's roll it, guys. Oh, no. Blue, yellow, and pink. Let's roll it, guys. Baka smart ang above nito. Hindi naman. Mga ano lang. 50%. 50% ting bobo. Double pink. Single white. Double pink tayo, single white. Congratulations. Saka nakataya, Mr. Everywhere. Uy, grabe. Diretsuhan na. Half lang. Check you and me. Nilait ang sarili no, yes. Ako lang ang pwedeng manlait sa sarili ko. Aloha, ha? Grabe na siya for winning 12,000 pesos. Pili ko kanina. Don't forget to click the confirm button in 3, 2, and 1. Good luck. Asan yung popcorn? Yan. 1 mean dice. Valid colors is yellow and green. Yellow and green, 1 mean dice. Saan nakalagay? Oh, okay. Nakukunin ko na yan. Pink at green tayo dyan. Reroll natin ang lean dice. Mr. Everywhere, saan ka nakataya? Anong kulay? We have white. White, pink, and green. White, pink, at green tayo. Mink, syempre. Ay, favorite ko ang pink, ah. Kaya nga, eh. Okay, last round. Pink, suot mo. Ganun ba yun? Pero sa blue ka, ano? Doon tayo nagpa-triple kanina. Alam mo, ay, nanaan po ko. Agad kinakabahan po ko. Tingnan po natin, ah. Anong kulay ka po ba? Like only ma'am, red, green, and white. It's a red, green, and... Alam, bossing! Hindi ko alam. Anong kulay ba namamayagpag sa'yo, bossing ko? Ayan, comment, aloha, halisi, and ours. Okay, last 5 seconds. So good luck at... Comment. Kiss a kiss, it's beautiful. red, green side. It's a blue, red, and green side. Ayan, sana nakukuha nyo, ha? Let me see, aloha, sana meron ka, bossing. So, in colors, we have yellow, green, and red. Yellow, green, and red tayo, ha? Yellow, ayan, may yellow na tayo. Chino. Boss price. Tulog ka, John. Magpupunta kami sa price. Aloha, ho! Bossing, congratulations! Chino, and ours, pupunta ka rin. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're back to players. Patay tayo dyan. Sana meron na doble dilaw at puti. Dilaw, puti tayo. Sana, bossing, aloha, meron, ha? Kapag ikaw ay nakatawa. Tingnan mo, be! Naiirita na ako sa... Oh, you have green and white ties. Kapag kausap na kita. Okay, puti. Doble puti at verde. At damdam. Chinita. Chinita. Ayan ko mo ng bossing aloha, Chino and or